Transforming your Instagram, crafting a stunning feed now. Your Instagram feed is the first impression you make on your visitors, so let's ensure it's a good one. In the world of Instagram, aesthetics matter. Your feed needs to tell a story that's not only visually engaging but also consistent. Let's start with choosing a theme. A theme is more than just a filter, it's the vibe that you're sending out to your audience. Your theme could be anything, from a color palette to a mood or a style. It should reflect your personality and the story you want to tell. Next, let's talk about the grid layout. This is how your posts are arranged on your profile. There are numerous grid layouts to choose from. The easiest grid layout is the square grid, where each post stands on its own. It's simple, clean, and ideal for beginners. Another popular layout is the line layout. It's when you post in vertical or horizontal lines, keeping a consistent type of content in each line. The puzzle layout is a bit complex, but creates a stunning visual effect. Each post is part of a bigger picture, and it requires a bit more planning. Now let's move to the content. Your content should align with your theme and be of high quality. This doesn't mean you need a professional camera, your smartphone will do the trick. Keep your content diverse. Mix up your posts with images, videos, quotes, infographics, etc. This adds variety and keeps your feed interesting. Captions are equally important. They should connect with your audience and communicate your brand story. They can be witty, thoughtful, or informative. Next on the list is consistency. Posting regularly helps you stay on the peak of Instagram's algorithm and reach more people. Use tools like a content calendar to plan your posts in advance. This ensures regularity and also helps in maintaining your theme and layout. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, like their posts, and keep the conversation going. This builds a community and increases your reach. Don't forget to use hashtags. They help you get discovered by new audiences and increase your visibility. Finally, continually analyze your feed. Instagram provides insights to help you understand what's working and what's not. Improving your Instagram feed is a journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting, keep evolving. Remember, your feed represents you. In the end, the most stunning Instagram feed is the one that authentically represents you and connects with your audience. You're ready now, let's make your Instagram feed stunning. Remember, an Instagram feed doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you.